Welcome to Cascada La Reforma. Oh, look at the view, guys. Look at the waterfall. Sobrang ganda. Yung sign on the way sa waterfalls. Ganda. Nandito ka na kami sa falls, guys. So, this is the first waterfalls area. So, may pangalawang falls siya. You can see the current is strong, medyo strong, and it is not recommended na lumangoy dito kasi malakas yung ahon niya. And some people, and as per a research, mas maganda mag-swimming doon sa kabilang falls, which is a 5-minute walk from here. So, this is on the way, guys, to the other water. Oh my god, ang lamig! Shit, ang lamig! Sorry. Ang lamig! Oh my god. Ang lamig niya, guys. Wow. Ang ganda, guys. How did you go? How? Oh my god. Look, grabe. Ang lakas, guys. Parang matatak. Oh, oh my god. Grabe, ang lakas. So this is the second one. We're going to the second waterfalls, which is the main waterfalls. Mga 5-minute walk ata to, guys. It says here 2005 to 2007. So, hindi ko alam na yan. Gabi, nanginginig yung paa ko sa scooter. Wala kasing parang pang second person na lagyan yung yung paa mo. Ay. We're almost near to the main waterfall, guys. Tignan nyo, ang ganda, guys. Sobra. Diba? It's worth it naman to come here. But you always have to be extra careful, guys. Kasi yung daan from our hotel or from Puerto Escondido is very rough. Like, most of our trip was bumpy, like yung road talaga, kahit sa main road siya bumpy talaga, guys. May mga hump siya sa main road, so always be careful and wag hindi suggested na mag high speed, guys. So always careful lang. Medyo dangerous siya pag especially hindi kayo really nagda-drive ng scooter or motorbike, kasi yun nga siya dangerous. Hey guys, we're here in Cascada La Reforma, guys. Ang ganda, sobra, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. The current, sobrang lakas talaga ng current, guys. Hey guys! Nandito kami sa Cascada La Reforma, in Spanish, or waterfall La Reforma is what it's called. So look at the view, guys. Look at the waterfall. Sobrang ganda. And I think maririnig nyo how strong ang current ng waterfall, and plus the wind. Sobrang lakas, guys. And the waterfall all the way, yun yung flow niya, guys. Dito, all the way down to the second part of the waterfall, and this is actually the main waterfall, guys. We are currently here in the waterfalls, as you can see in the background, guys. And ang sobrang lakas ng current ng waterfall na to. Never much seen a waterfall na sobrang lakas kagaya na ito. So this is located in Puerto Escondido in Oaxaca, Mexico. So we drove for about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and the road, I must say, wasn't easy, guys. Grabe, sobrang bumpy ng road. We're going back, guys, and from the main waterfall to the semi-waterfall is about 5-minute walk. So, punta pa lang kami doon.
I knew it was saved. I'll stick. So this is a 10-minute walk going back to the entrance, and nagbayad kami ng 10 Mexican peso, which is maybe 10 cents here which is okay. Worth it na din kasi hindi siya overpriced. And along the way, may mga not sure if bahay to guys or something na pwedeng ma-stay for a day or a few nights, I think. Yes. Malapit na kami sa exit or entrance. Ay, hangak eh. Hangak eh guys. Always bring water, sunscreen. So, medyo madami mga like 5 na ganito guys. I think this was like for rent before or like a day use or night use place. Like parang Airbnb na pwedeng pagstayhan. Pero yung parang Airbnb mo, parang walang tao guys. Baka due to COVID, parang nag-shutdown din siguro. And hindi kami masyadong makakatanong kasi Spanish namin is very low. So parang basic lang nalalaman namin. And mostly locals. Hindi sila marunong mag-English. So, sometimes, yung Google Translate is our answer to everything pag nag-communicate kami sa kanino man. So, dito na kami guys, exit. So, dalawang tao lang dito guys. So, parang local sa dalawang lalaki na bantay dito. Ito lang yung parang entrance niya. Donkey guys, you'd see mga cows or mga horses, pero ito yung way papunta or pabalik guys. Very curvy all the way talaga. So like 40 minutes ganito curvy yung papunta and pabalik. Kasi same way lang kasi talaga eh. Jeepney nila guys. Ito ganito.
After a long drive, we got hungry, so we decided to stop off and eat lunch.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa playa Angelito. So, ito yung medyo madaming tao guys, malokal or foreigner. So kahit like weekdays, madami pa rin tao. So may mga boat din, which may mga excursion for dolphin, or mga ganyang excursion na pwedeng gawin dito.
This is our food, guys. Some rice, of course, and then spicy shrimp, and then may fish din kami. Crappy fish, hindi ko alam mo anong pangalan nito, guys. Basta isda. Garlic siya na fried.
No, like for me.
Are they on the water?
Oh, the water. What?
Come on.
Five. Jeez.
Left there, yeah?
Left. Dali. Oh, left yung bugo.
Is it? Left there?
Head northwest.
Oh. I'm gonna get lost in the back, huh?
Hardly like.
Oh, is that on my bed? The sand is taking me, like.
Your destination is on the left.
Whoopee! Whoopee!
Oh, Jesus, the whole, literally the whole.